Welcome to Scale Modeling Videos. In today's video I'll be showing you how to highlight raised detail. So as you see here, ribbing detail on an aircraft wing. Let me focus on that. There we go. Okay. More ribbing detail here. Here. Okay. And on the bottom as well. Okay, so I will also show you two more examples of highlighting raised detail. Now this is different to painting raised detail. I've already done a video on that, and if you want to see how to paint raised detail, have a look at the video in the top right hand corner there. Okay, alright, here are the two other examples of where I have highlighted raised detail that I'm going to show you in this video. I will also show you how to highlight the raised detail inside an aircraft body like this. Okay. And I will also show you how to highlight raised rivets. As you can see on the sides of these cockpit walls, the rivets have been highlighted. Now, in order to highlight raised detail, I use Tamiya's Weathering Master set. Okay. I use the white or the snow pigment. As you can see here, I rub it on my finger and I rub it across the raised detail. Okay, go very lightly and gently rubbing across. I don't want to rub too hard, that way I get into the crevices. Okay, I like to use my finger because I feel it gives me more dexterity. I will also show you later that you can use the brush that comes with the set to highlight some of the detail as well. Next, I use an earbud dipped in water to clean off the excess or the parts that I don't want highlighted. Okay. Sometimes I also dip the Q-tip in Windex if I find that it's not removing the pigment. Next, I will show you that I can also use the brush that's included with the Weathering Master set to highlight some of the raised detail. Okay. Here it is, all highlighted now. You can matte coat this, you can gloss coat this, and then give it a wash for further detailing. But this is how I like to highlight raised detail. I use Tamiya's Weathering Master sets and rub them on the raised detail using my finger. Next, I'm going to highlight the rivets inside a cockpit using the same technique. Okay. As you can see, I have to go over the rivets a few times to get the detail to pop out. As you can see now, the rivets are very nicely highlighted. Okay. Now this is a fantastic technique to highlight raised ribbing detail on an aircraft model, as you're going to see here. Okay. For the bottom of the aircraft, as it's a light color, I like to use the black pigment, or soot as it's called. Okay. Here is the bottom of the aircraft. As you can see, the dark pigment has really highlighted that raised ribbing detail, okay? Now this technique can be used on all kinds of model kits, on armor kits, tanks, even cars, interiors of cars as well. But I've just used this aircraft to demonstrate this technique. I hope you guys like the video. Alright.